Welcome, middle schoolers. Today I'm going to show you a quick intro on how to use Big Ideas Math. So first of all, on your iPad you should have a Big Ideas Math app. It'll look like this. This app just lets you see the textbook. So if you want to look at the textbook, either to help you with homework or to read a little bit more about the stuff we're doing, you can open that app to get the textbook. Your textbooks for your classes should be listed here. You can press on it and it's going to lead you to the textbook. Now the first time you do this, you're going to have to download it. That's going to take like 5 minutes, so just be prepared for that. Now with the online textbook, so if you press the page, a little bar will come up on the bottom. You can go to contents and then you can kind of jump anywhere in the textbook. So if we're on chapter 6, I can press, you want to press that plus button and say, oh, we're doing 6.1 or something like that. It's going to bring you to the 6.1 page. You can scroll in. You can zoom in and use the textbook that way. Now when it comes time for homework, you can't do that through the app. Instead, you're going to have to go to Safari and log into your Big Ideas Math account. So just Google Big Ideas Math, use your login information, and this will pop up. Now to get to your assignments, you're going to press Assignments. Your assignments should pop up. You can press Enter. And you can start it, and then you can work on answering the questions. You can check your answer, you can go through the next questions. Now when you are done, so say you want to come back to it later, maybe you have something else to do, or maybe you have some questions, you're going to come to the Google Meet, ask some questions, and finish your assignment later, you can press the Save and Exit button. But when you're all done, make sure, and then you can come back in and work on the homework. When you're all done, make sure you submit the homework so then I can see what you do. Thank you for watching this little video on Big Ideas Math, and reach out to me if you have any questions.